We add the money. Look here. First one is 35 rupees 50 paisa. Add 23 rupees 20 paisa. So let's start from paisa side. 0 plus 0. Answer is 0. Now 5 plus 2. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus how much? 2. 1, 2. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Dot is here. Now 5 plus 3. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 3 plus 2. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dear kids, when we add 35 rupees 50 paisa and 23 rupees 20 paisa. So what is our answer? Our answer is 58 rupees 70 paisa. Look at the next. 77 rupees 35 paisa. 16 rupees 55 paisa. Start from paisa side. So 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is, yes, 10. So 10 we write like this. This 0 we write here and this one is carry over here. Now add 3 plus 5. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Dot is here. Now 7 plus 6. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So 13. These 3 we write here and this one is carry over here. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So when we add 77 rupees 35 paisa and 16 rupees 55 paisa, what is our answer? Our answer is 93 rupees 90 paisa. Let's look here the next one. 128 rupees 25 paisa and 329 rupees 36 paisa. Let's add from paisa sides. So 5 plus 6. Now you tell me 5 plus 6 is how much? 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 is here and 1 is carry over here. Now 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is, yes, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now dot is here. Now 8 plus 9. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 is here. 1 is carry over here. Now 2 plus 2 is, yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is, yes, 5. Now 1 plus 3 is, yes, 4. So when we add 128 rupees 25 paisa, 329 rupees 36 paisa. So what is our answer? Our answer is 457 rupees 61 paisa. Look at the next one. 256 rupees 73 paisa and 444 rupees 25 paisa. Add the money from paisa side. So 3 plus 5 is, count in your finger and give me the answer. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 7 plus 2. How much 7 plus 2 is? Yes, 7 plus 2 is 9. Dot is here. Now 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is, yes, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 is here, carry, 1 is over here. Now 5 plus 4 is, count in your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is, yes, 10. 0 is here. 1 is carry over here. Now 2 plus 4 is how much? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is, yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. So when we add 256 rupees 73 paisa and 444 rupees 25 paisa. What is our answer? 700 rupees 98. We will learn how we subtract the money. In subtraction, we always subtract smallest number from biggest number. Subtraction में हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को subtract करते हैं. So look here, how many rupees and paisa is there? 54 rupees 55 paisa, 97 rupees 75 paisa. So look here how we write. Firstly rupees and paisa. So 97 rupees dot 75 paisa and 54 rupees 55 paisa. Sign of subtraction. So start from paisa side. Firstly we subtract paisa. After that we subtract rupees. So 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is, yes, 0. Now 7 minus 5. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much we subtract? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is left? 2. So we write here 2. Dot. Now 7 minus 4. Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much we subtract? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is left? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Now 9 minus 5. Count in your finger and give me the answer. Yes, 9 minus 5 is 4. So dear kids, when we subtract 97 rupees and 75 paisa, 54 rupees and 55 paisa. So what is our answer? Our answer is 43 rupees 20 paisa. Dear kids, let's take some more example how we separate the money. Look here, the first one, how many rupees and how many paisa. So first one is 85 rupees 50 paisa, 42 rupees 20 paisa. Addition and subtraction always is start from paisa side. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what we do? We take borrow from here to here. So what we write here? 10 and here is 4. Now 10 minus 5, count in your finger and give me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 5. Now 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, yes, 2. So write here 2. Now move from rupees side. 5 minus 2. How much? Count in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we subtract? 2. 1, 2. How much is left? 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. Dot is here. Now 8 minus 4. Count in your finger and give me the answer. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much we subtract? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we subtract 85 rupees 50 paisa and 42 rupees 25 paisa, what is our answer? 43 rupees 25 paisa. Look here, the next one. 73 rupees 22 paisa and 53 rupees 12 paisa. Subtraction start from paisa sides. 2 minus 2 is how much? 2 minus 2 is, yes, how much? 0. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is, yes, 1. Dot is there. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is, yes, 0. Now 7 minus 5. Count in finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much we subtract? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is left? 2. So we write here 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 20 rupees 10 paisa. Look here, the next one. 238 rupees 50 paisa and 136 rupees 50 paisa. So start from paisa side. 0 minus 0 is, yes, 0. Now 5 minus 5 is how much? Yes, 5 minus 5 is 0. Move from rupees side. 8 minus 6. Count in your finger and give me the answer. 8 minus 6 is, yes, 2. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is, yes, 0. And 2 minus 1 is, yes, 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is 102 rupees 0 paisa. Look here, the next one. 408 rupees 0 paisa and 215 rupees 50 paisa. So subtraction start from paisa side. 0 minus 0 is, yes, 0. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what we do? We take borrow rupees to paisa. So we write here 10 and here is 7. Now 10 minus 5. Count finger and give me the answer. Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5. Look here. 7 minus 5. How much? 7 minus 5 is 2. Dot is here. Now 0 minus 1 also not possible. So we take borrow. So we write here 10 and here is 3. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is 192 rupees 50 paisa.